Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach an absolute beginner's lesson on adding titles in DaVinci Resolve. Before we get started, please do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now on with the tutorial. So adding titles in DaVinci Resolve is as simple as it gets. You start by clicking on Effects to bring up the Effects panel, and then you come down and find Titles, which is right here. If you open this up, you can see that there are subtitles and whatnot, but these are the basic ideas here. And so now you can hover over them, each one, to get an idea of what that title does. And if they're moving, then if you just move your mouse across there, you will see how that actually interacts. So you have basic titles, and then you have the fusion titles. And the fusion titles are just as smooth and as nice as the basic titles, but they have a lot more different things going on with them. So if I take this, one of the easiest ways to do this is just to drag it right here on the second video track. But also you can drag it up here into the video window itself, and then this gives you options. You can overwrite, you can replace, you can place on top, you can append it at the end or whatever. And so I'm just going to go ahead and place this on top, and then it places it right here. Okay, so just remember that it can be dragged either way, right? Then from here, if you come over here and turn on the inspector panel, which is like a properties panel, then it'll give you all of the details with regard to this title. So you see where the clean and simple text is here, and then you can come down and see where it says sample text, and that's it there. So I might here type in best friends, and then up here I might put fun at the beach. And so now I have these titles set the way that I want them. You can change the fonts, you can change the size, you can change all the tracking, you can adjust the positioning of this entire thing. It's down here. You'll notice that these are all keyframeable, so that those can be adjusted as well, including things like the font size, and even the font itself has a keyframe on it. Pretty cool. I think this already has some motion, so we don't have to really worry about it. But it's literally that simple to create a title in DaVinci Resolve. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and this has been an absolute beginner's lesson on adding titles in DaVinci Resolve. Like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and like it. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching.